Okay. All right, so I'm sharing my screen right here. This is my code. My name is Angel Armendariz. This is for lab week 14, question 1. The purpose of this lab is to reverse an array. We're going to be using indirect or index addressing to reverse it. We're not copying the elements to another array. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and debug area now. Basically, the whole purpose of this is to reverse my array being 10, 20, 30 up to 90. And I reversed it backwards and I rearranged the digits as well for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through the code. So basically I declare the array here. I create a variable for the array size so I can refer to it back later to shove it into ECX so that that's the counter for how many times it's gonna go through. And for the first loop, it's just pushing every single variable from my array onto the stack. Every piece of it is getting pushed onto the stack. And then the second loop, L2, is popping it out after resetting the counter. And once it's been popped out is when it's been rearranged. So it prints it out at first. So my output currently is the original. But as I'm going through the first one, it's pushing out the values. And in the second loop, it's going to be popping out these new values. And it's going to be moving them back into where my array is. So it's going to be changing it. And once it's been changed through this loop, it's going to be changing it. It's incrementing each time. So it's going to be changing the value. So it's not only reversing it, but it's also switching. So instead of being 90, it's going to be 09. Instead of being 80, it'll be 08. And I do this throughout the loop for each individual integer. And at the end, it's going to print out the new string. So the output is right here. It throughout the stack, it pushed out new values. So it has reversed them and has flipped them. And that is the end of the code. All right, all good. Thank you.